In this video, we are going to learn how you can use the Content Drip feature in Tutor LMS 3. So let's get started. We have logged into our Tutor LMS 3 powered WordPress website. So the Content Drip feature in LMS is basically a feature which allows you to release your course content or materials in an interval or set period of time. Tutor LMS gives you some Content Drip features that you can use for your courses and quizzes as well. So we're going to see that in this tutorial. We already have a course created for this tutorial, and this is of course a demo course, not a real course, just to show you the Content Drip feature. If we go to the back end of our course, we can find the Content Drip feature over here. If you do not see this option, then probably you haven't enabled the Content Drip add-on. To do that, we're going to close this course builder and go to the add-on section. From here, you can see the Content Drip add-on. Just enable it and you will have access to the Content Drip feature. If you're using the free version of Tutor LMS, Content Drip will not be available because in the free version of Tutor LMS, you won't have access to any add-ons. Now, if you want to get Tutor LMS Pro, Tutor LMS Pro does have annual and lifetime plans. The annual plan starts from $199 a year with the individual plan. It also has a business plan for $399 a year and an agency plan for $799 a year. So the individual plan gives you 1 site license, the business plan gives you 10 site licenses, and agency plan gives you unlimited site licenses. You can also get the lifetime plans. These are a bit more expensive, but since this is a one-time payment, you don't have to worry about paying annually. Now, getting any one of these plans will give you access to all the pro add-ons and features. So you can get the Content Drip feature like that. So if you want to get Tutor LMS, you can check our description for a link. So let's get back to the video. So after you enable this, go back to your courses. Now from here, you can choose from 4 different types of Content Drip. Schedule course content by date, content available X days from enrollment, course content available sequentially, and course content unlocked after finishing prerequisites. So these are all the Content Drip features. Now, without the Content Drip, let's see how it looks like. So we're going to go to the preview and we're going to enroll to our course. And now let's start learning. And now this is our first lesson, and this is our second lesson, and this is our third lesson. And finally, we can access the quiz. So we can access any of the topics and lessons that we want. So there's no Content Drip at all. And now let's actually add a Content Drip. So we're going to go to Content Drip and click on Schedule Course Content by Date. After selecting this Content Drip, we're going to click on Update. Now we're going to move on to our curriculum. And you can see we have a few topics and lessons and quizzes as well. If you guys want to learn how to create courses using Tutor LMS 3, we have a tutorial on that topic. We will put the link of that tutorial in the video description. So now I want to add a Content Drip feature for this lesson of this topic. So what we're going to do is click on Edit, and from here we can see there's an unlock date. From here we can see that today is 25th of December. We want to unlock this course on the 26th. Okay, now we're going to click on Update. All right, now we're going to update, and now we're going to preview our course and scroll down. And you can see it says this lesson will be available from December 26th. So this is locked. So now let's close this up and edit this course with our builder. Now let's select a different Content Drip. Course content available after X days from enrollment. So we selected this. Now we're going to update, and then we're going to head on to the curriculum tab. And from here, we are going to choose this lesson. And we're going to say, let's say 2. So 2 days after enrollment, I will be able to access this lesson. Now, if we click on Update, and now let's click on Preview. If we scroll down and select this second lesson, you can see it's locked, and this lesson will be available for you from December 27th. So specifically it says for you. That means I have enrolled today, that is 25th December, and since I have selected 2 days from enrollment, I will be able to access the lessons 2 days after my enrollment. Now let's close this up and let's see another Content Drip type, which is the course content available sequentially. Now when I have this selected, I don't need to go to each lesson and set up the Content Drip specifically. So if I select this lesson now, you can see there's no options available. That is because we have to progress through the course sequentially, one topic and lesson at a time. So I'm going to click on the preview button now, and if we scroll down and if we click on this lesson, you can see all of the content are now locked. Now, if I click on this lesson, I won't be able to access it. It will tell me, please complete previous lesson first. So normally this is the Content Drip feature that most course creators use. Now I'm going to close it and click on Edit with Course Builder. Now the final content drip feature is the course content unlocked after finishing prerequisites. I'm going to enable this and click on Update. Now let's go to the curriculum and edit this lesson. And now you can see we have a different interface. Now we can choose a prerequisite that the students must complete in order to access this lesson. So I want to apply this content drip for my quiz. So if I click on Edit, here we can click on Settings. You can also apply content drip for your quizzes as well. Now we only applied the content drip for the lessons, and for the final content drip type, I want to show you how you can add it to your quiz because it's more sensible. So I want to add some prerequisites. I want students to complete all the lessons of this topic in order to access this quiz. So I'm going to click on Save. Now I'm going to click on Preview. And if we click on Start Learning, here you can see the quiz is locked. If we try to select it, it will say you can take this quiz after finishing the following prerequisites. So we have to complete these lessons. So that is how you can use the content drip feature of Tutor LMS. We hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. So thank you for watching. See you next time.